It's like a passion.
Okay.
YouTube is a passion for everyone.
Yes.
But now it's becoming a profession.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Nigel Rider. So today I'm riding for foot again, like morning at 5 o'clock. So recently I saw a lot of people are walking into a restaurant called SLV. They are serving biryani in the morning. So even I'm going to try to know more about that. And let's see, let's start. So right now I am at Outer Ring Road. As you could see now, the roads are little empty and I'm with my bike. So you could see my bike is over here, I parked it. So now I'm gonna start my ride. So let us see what I can get, how are the taste and more about it. So let's start the ride. Let's meet you at the hotel. So after a great ride, I have reached the place called SLV Biryani. So there are a lot big crowd. I am in the middle of the queue, but I came out because there was no light. I've came out to just to show you the ambience. So this is how it looks, and there's a big queue happening and there are people who is standing over here having their biryanis, meals and all. It's dark so you couldn't see anything. So right now I could show you the time is 5:54. If you could see, it is 5:54 and there are a lot big crowd around. So I don't know what they made them to come over here, but great crowd after seeing the taste. So finally I got the biryani. If you could see the plate, so for 200 rupees this big plate of biryani, this is mutton biryani. So moreover this I have to taste it. Let us see how the taste is. I don't know how it's gonna work because today I'm alone. So yes, you could see I'm gonna start to have the biryani. So let me have only the rice and see the first. So if you could see, there is like so soft. It's not overcooked. It is so soft because there is no light. There is no one with me to handle the camera, so I have to do both. So let us see what can be done. So let me start having the biryani. Early morning at 5 I left the home only to have this biryani, and the biryani is so tasty, so yummy. There you go, biryani. So now I'm gonna have my biryani. Started already having, but previously shot was so dark so you couldn't understand. So they have given beautiful, amazing mutton pieces, not chicken, mutton pieces. The spice is not too much. It's not too spicy. Or the spicy is not little low also. It go with the biryani. And their rice is also perfectly cooked. They give one full plate like this. They give one full plate like this, the biryani. And if you pay, you have unlimited biryani. For 200 rupees, you pay, you get one plate of biryani and unlimited rice. They do have many other things, but I'm so late that I have to drive from my place to here. So I was so late, I got only biryani. They have 2 or 3 chicken items. Everything they have, like 2-3 chicken items. They have soup, like leg soup. They have chicken soup also. So having this, I feel so happy. Sunday morning biryani, so yummy. Yummy biryani on Sunday. So let me complete this. After that, I'll meet you. Hey guys, so the biryani was awesome in the morning. So right now I am with one of the great food blogger of Karnataka. His channel name is Unbox. So he is with me right there. He is talking to the people. But anyways, I'll be going to them. So bro, tell me, how was your thing? How did you start food blogging? Just a small brief.
Yeah, actually it's happened. Started as a it's like a passion.
Okay.
YouTube is a passion for everyone.
Yes.
But now it's becoming a profession.
But really good, man. Like, see, I'll tell you very frankly, I got many links of this place was yours. I'll be very frank about that. People shared me only your channel, maybe 1 or 2 additional channel I've got, but your channel was there for me. Like now I have told you, no, for simple note, you are one of my inspiration. Where I started vlogging, but not to that extent how you guys do, but to the normal extent I do. But really happy to meet you. So nice biryani, what you suggested, I am not disappointed. I really appreciate your effort, time. So what do you want to tell to my viewers?
So subscribe to the channel and support the new talents.
That's it. So now I am ending up with our great YouTuber Unbox.
Not great YouTuber.
No, one thing I'll tell you. No, I don't accept that. I see all the Karnataka, like in Karnataka, one of the good food vlogging is yours. That is from my end. I don't know, there are other people also, but my opinion, I shared it to you.
Thank you.
So please subscribe, support him also in the meanwhile. So you could see now also there are people. I'll give you all the link, all the things, all the numbers, everything in the description box. And like, share, comment and subscribe.
Subscribe and press the bell icon.
Sure, he told you the bell icon. So last note, never waste the food,
Yes.
but enjoy the food. With him and me, we both are signing off. And the Night Owl Lighter.